Me again. Welcome to the jungle, the concrete jungle, where instead of looking out for lions and tigers that might tear me limb from limb, I only have to look out for restricted parking zones that might just cost me an arm and a leg. Which isn't quite as bad. Growing up in the countryside, I always found the city quite scary. In films it always came across as quite a dangerous place to be. Especially if you're a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle or a Highlander. Luckily, I am neither of those. It seems I'm free from danger. In fact, when you're here on a sunny day, it's quite worry-free. Apart from those parking fines. And while there's not many natural things like trees about, some people have taken it upon themselves to spray paint the walls. And they don't look quite as nice as trees, but they do look better than walls without spray paint on. Anyway, to contravene the parking restrictions you have to be parked. So, let's go! As this large boat rises up ominously behind me, it gets me thinking, when is too much effort to do something? These boats moving up and down move so cumbersomely that it's barely worth the effort involved. But while I'm standing here wondering whether it's worth the effort, he's already up and he's off down the road, or down the canal, and someone else is coming along to give just as much effort to go down the other way. So, in all this time that I've been standing here talking about it, I could have done something, and it turned out that thinking about it used up just as much effort as doing the thing. With the downside that I've now wasted your time as well. So now we're both flustered. I hope you can forgive me. But with that moment of clarity, I'm happy to have survived my venture into the jungle. The concrete jungle. So, thanks again for watching. Goodbye again.